Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage criminal cases with LegalMatch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage criminal cases using LegalMatch, start by visiting the LegalMatch website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Post Your Case section. Select the type of case you want to manage, specifically choosing criminal law. Provide detailed information about your case, including charges and relevant dates. Be clear and concise to enhance your chances of attracting the right attorney. After posting your case, LegalMatch will connect you with local attorneys. Review the profiles of these attorneys, paying attention to their experience in criminal law. Take note of customer ratings and reviews to gauge their reliability. Contact suitable attorneys to discuss your case further. Prepare questions to ensure the attorney is a good fit for your needs. Consider asking about their approach to criminal cases and their success rates. Once you select an attorney, schedule a consultation to discuss your case in detail. During the consultation, provide all necessary documentation and details. Listen carefully to the attorney's advice and strategies for your case. Discuss the potential outcomes and any legal defenses available. Ask about the costs involved in pursuing your case. After your consultation, take time to evaluate your options. Decide whether you want to proceed with the attorney chosen. Once you confirm, agree on a plan of action moving forward. Stay in regular communication with your attorney throughout the process. Provide them with any additional information or documentation as needed. Keep records of all communications related to your case. Finally, remain engaged and informed as your case progresses through the legal system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.